So it's the morning after the night before, and it's actually warm in London today. Beautiful blue skies here at the ABBA Arena, and the countdown has almost reached its conclusion. Tonight is the opening night of ABBA Voyage, and it's saying on the countdown there about 6 hours to go. The whole place though is kind of transformed from last night. It's looking totally different. So last night, where we had the red carpet and all the rest of it, it's all gone. It's completely cleared it out, and it's back to how it was looking earlier in the week. I mean, last night you couldn't get anywhere near any of this because this was where the red carpet was, and where members of ABBA were, and Kylie, and but now we can go right up to it. I mean, here's the departure lounge behind me, which I'll be in tonight, which I'm looking forward to very much. Quick comment on last night. Still processing it. It really is so good, the show. And when Benny says things like, he says things like, you've got to see it to understand it, and it's why lots of people are just going, I actually spent the first 15 minutes at the show going, what am I actually looking at here? What am I looking at? It's just extraordinary. The sound is absolutely fantastic, and it's just full of beautiful surprises. And greatly looking forward to going to the opening night tonight, and hopefully I'll get a chance to do another update soon.